is the elevator at the Lakewood Ranch Library in Bradenton, Florida. Here we are at 3. There's a nice rooftop viewing platform up here. The library itself, I believe, the building is 2 stories, but the second floor is offices as far as I'm aware, and the actual library collections is only on the first floor. We're gonna go back down the 1. So that was Gen 3 with the newer Series 2 fixtures installed probably in 2023. The library opened in January of 2024. Let's go for one more ride. I did actually get to ride this when it was brand new, but I didn't film it. Seems like it runs pretty similar to how it did back then. You know what, just because I'm curious, let's go to 2 and see what's on 2. Like I said, I think it's just offices, but I'm not 100% sure. No, it says authorized personnel only. It looks like it's still under construction. So, actually, you know what? They might be expanding the library, possibly. And this padding, I believe, was on the elevator when it was brand new, too. So, don't know if it's up there just from the beginning or just because of the construction on 2. So, there it goes. And that'll be it.